Do you use topic sentences? What are topic sentences? Does my mum still love me? Oh wow. Using topic sentences is a great way to make your writing really fantastic. Let's go. Let me show you an essay. Read it, and then I will ask you some questions about the organisation and the structure. Then we will talk about how we can use topic sentences to make your writing really fantastic. Whoa, Toby, that sounds great. I know, of course it does. Yeah.
Here is the introduction to an essay. Read it now and answer 3 questions. 1. What is the topic of the essay? 2. What is the writer trying to do with the essay? 3. How will the writer do this? Pause the video here and read the introduction. 1. The topic is the broadest, most general subject matter of the essay. The topic of this essay is investing in public transportation. 2. In this essay, the writer is trying to persuade us that investment in public transportation infrastructure is a good thing. 3. The writer will do this by talking about 3 things: air pollution, social and economic inequality, and promoting economic growth.
I haven't shown you this to show you a really fantastic introduction. No, instead, I've shown you this to provide you with some context for the body paragraphs that we are about to look at. The introduction has already given us a template which the essay will follow. The essay will possess 3 body paragraphs. 1 will discuss pollution. The other will discuss social and economic inequality, and the third will discuss economic growth. God, this sounds like a fantastic essay, right? I wonder who wrote it. Each of these paragraphs will be discussing these ideas in relation to what the essay is trying to do. That is, to persuade the reader that the government should invest more money in public transportation. Yes? Yes. So then, let's have a look at these paragraphs.
Here are the body paragraphs. Each of these body paragraphs supports the introduction in that they argue in support of increasing investment in public transport. Each body paragraph is about the central topic, investing in public transportation, and each paragraph makes a claim in relation to the topic. Try and identify the claim of each paragraph. Pause the video here. So, the first paragraph. The claim is that it can help to reduce traffic congestion and lower emissions. The second paragraph. The claim is that it may reduce inequality in society. And the third paragraph. And the claim is that it promotes economic growth by connecting individuals to job opportunities. Notice that this information is the very first sentence of each paragraph. These are called topic sentences.
Topic sentences! Finally, we have met our friend, the topic sentence. I love topic sentences. In fact, I wish I were one. So then, a topic sentence usually comes at the beginning of a paragraph. A topic sentence must contain a topic, and this is generally the subject matter of the essay. And a topic sentence must contain a claim, and this is an argument related to the point of the essay. Basically, the argument that you are going to support in your paragraph. Topic sentences are super important in English writing because they let the reader know what they are going to read before they read it. Okay, so imagine that you are walking through a cave, and a cave is really dark and scary, and there could be all sorts of animals and dangers lying ahead of you. So what do you bring to a cave? You bring a torch. And this lets you see what is in front of you before you get there. And that's kind of like what a topic sentence is. The essay is a dark, scary cave, and the topic sentence is your torch. It lets the reader know what is going to happen to them in the future. Does that work? Okay then. Just remember then that a topic sentence must contain a topic, and this is the general subject matter of the essay, and it must contain a claim. And this is an argument that you are making in support of what the essay is trying to do related to the topic. And that sounds really confusing, so let's look at some examples. Let's look at some topic sentences, and while we do, I want you to be asking yourselves two questions. Number one, what is the topic? And number two, what is the claim? Okay? Right, let's go. Almost no one, except perhaps the richest of people, can provide exotic animals with the conditions necessary for their well-being. So, what is the topic? Here, the topic is exotic animals, or maybe keeping exotic animals as pets. The claim is that, well, basically no one can provide them with the conditions necessary for their well-being. And I'm guessing that this supports the central argument of the essay, which is, don't keep exotic animals as pets. Duh. But isn't that amazing? Just from one topic sentence, we have been able to understand, number one, the topic of the entire essay, number two, the claim that is going to be supported in this paragraph, and number three, the central argument of the entire essay. I mean, that's incredible. A topic sentence is like a really high-powered torch in a cave. Because imagine, right, that your essay is a cave. Okay, yeah. Forget it. Let's do another one. Although some people argue that they enjoy the feel of paper books, e-books are often considerably more portable and convenient. The topic here is e-book readers. How fascinating. I would love to read an essay about e-book readers, wouldn't you? And the claim is that they are considerably more portable and convenient than paper books. So I'm guessing then that this essay in general is going to be about e-book readers. This paragraph in particular is going to be supporting the claim that e-book readers are more convenient and portable than paper books, and I'm going to assume that the entire essay is going to be arguing that e-book readers are superior to paper books. Again, pretty bright torch, right guys? So, now that we've established that topic sentences really are awesome little things, why don't we try to make one ourselves? Ooh, yes, please Toby, let's do it.
Here is a paragraph, but oh my goodness, it does not have a topic sentence. How terrible. Pause the video here and try to write one. The topic here is learning English, so that must be mentioned in the topic sentence. The claim is that it is important for educational purposes. So here are some possible topic sentences. Learning English is crucial for those seeking higher education. Having a good knowledge of English can be a significant advantage in the world of education. Learning English is not only useful for travelling, but also for education. There are many possibilities here. The important thing is that you mentioned the topic, learning English, and the claim that learning English is important for education.
So, that's the basic idea of a topic sentence, but we can improve it by adding two things. Number one, a sequencer, and number two, a hedge. And now you're thinking, Toby, what are they? Don't worry, Toby, who is me, is going to tell you, who is you, right now. A sequencer is a linking device that signals to the reader where the paragraph is in relation to the rest of the essay. This may sound confusing, but don't worry, because it's not. A sequencer is a word like firstly, secondly, lastly, in conclusion. You get the idea. A hedge, on the other hand, is something that reduces the certainty of a claim. An example of a hedge could be a modal verb, like could, or may, or might. Anything that takes something from 100% certainty to 99% or 98% or 97% or 96% or 95%, is a hedge. So then, let's have a look at some topic sentences and see if you can identify the hedge and the sequencer. Lastly, abandoning the 5-day work week in favour of the 4-day work week would likely improve employee productivity. So, what is the topic? The topic is the 4-day work week. What is the claim? The claim is that it would likely increase employee productivity. What is the sequencer? Lastly. And what is the hedge? Likely. Yeah. So, how did you do? Let's do one more before you try and make your own. Furthermore, although some may argue that mandatory voting is against freedom of choice, making voting obligatory may improve political representation. So, what is the topic? The topic is making voting obligatory, or mandatory voting. And what is the claim? The claim is that it may improve political representation. What is the sequencer? The sequencer is furthermore. And what is the hedge? The hedge is may. Crikey, mate! That was fun! Shall we make our own? Yes? Okay, bye.
Okay, so to help you, here is the introduction to the essay. Pause the video here and try to understand what the topic of the essay is and what the essay is trying to do. The topic is running. The essay is going to try and convince us that this is a fantastic sport and that we should all be doing it because it has physical benefits, mental benefits, and it is accessible. Here are the body paragraphs. None of them have a topic sentence. Oh, no. So, of course, it is your job to try and write one for each. Remember, we need a topic and a claim. Do your best to include an appropriate sequencer and a hedge when you think it is appropriate. Good luck. Pause the video here and have a go. So, let's see how we did. The topic of all the paragraphs is running, of course. The claim of the first paragraph is that running has physical benefits. One possible example could be, the most obvious reason to take up running is the innumerable physical benefits it may have. Here, the sequencer is the most obvious reason, and the hedge is may.
What did you say? Let me know in the comments, because I'm genuinely interested. Because I'm an interested guy, and you're an interesting human being.
The claim of paragraph 2 is that running has psychological benefits. One possible topic sentence could be, moreover, many report that running has improved their mental health. Here, the sequencer is moreover. The hedge is many. Not everyone says this, and thus many reduces the certainty of the claim.
Again, let me know what you said below, because, yeah.
And in the final body paragraph, the claim is that running is accessible to everyone. Not only does running have mental and physical benefits, but it is also accessible for all. Here, the sequencer is an inversion that links this paragraph to the prior two. There is no hedge in this topic sentence. And, well, there we have it. 3 marvellous topic sentences.
And wow, that makes me so happy. Are you happy? Because I know I'm happy. I've already told you I'm happy, and I've told you that I'm happy because it's the truth, and I never lie. And with that, we're finished. Now you know everything you need to know about topic sentences to make your writing really clear and fantastic. A bit like walking through a cave with a torch. If you liked the video, don't forget to smash that like button, subscribe if you haven't already, leave a comment down below. My name is Toby, and this was Smash English.